Down here. Good day. Today I'm going to tell you why you should save some bilbies. Imagine you're a tiny little bilby sitting in your den, going to sleep, and then you hear thudding sounds around the spinifex outside your garden. You wake up and you go to the door of the entrance of it. You see some whiskers, then you see a paw, and then you see some ears, and you see some eyes. Then you realise it's a feral cat. And then there is no more of the bilby. Every single night, at least 3 times, that happens to a bilby. If we don't help bilbies, then it'll just add on to another species extinct to our list. Do you know that we are the worst country in the world of keeping animals species alive? You and I are the future of bilbies, and the money you put into it will either go to fencing, researching, baits, and more. Help us save the bilbies. Cormac, the bushranger.